All right. For our final all-skate game, we are going to play a game called Sound Effects, and that would be everybody that's left. So you can figure out who you are. Lala, come on up. And Dalton. And Isaac. Excellent. Let's see, I'm supposed to find something here and click a couple buttons. All right, so in the game Sound Effects, what's going to happen is they're going to have a scene, but throughout the scene, I'm just going to hit some random buttons on my phone, which is going to play a noise that has no business being in this scene whatsoever, but they, as good improvisers, have to work it into their scene. So that should be relatively easy. Dalton, you're up there, so let me go back here and get where are you guys at? So I'll just randomly pick somebody here. Could you give me a non-geographic location where they're at? Where might they be for this scene? Yes. The Disney Princess Castle. Dalton. It's like Mom called to you. That's good. All right. Let's see. Here we go. And obnoxious noise. All right. I'm all set. So, you have your topic. Your scene begins now.
Okay, welcome to the lovely fashion store. I cannot wait to turn you into a pretty little princess. I think Ariel would be perfect for you. Let me go grab that really quick.
I was going to be a fish!
Sorry about that, crew. My bladder's so my aim bum. Yeah, it's been bad recently. So, we're not really hitting the edgy teen spot in our marketing, so we're going to need to be a bit more dark and brooding for our set recently. Haha, just kidding!
That is a terrible idea. Children will not like that whatsoever.
Because we love small children, so show us what a small children would look like, sir. Come on.
Get your act together!
Get back up. Get back up.
I just wanted to be a fish!
If you want to be a pretty princess, you have to act like a pretty princess. So let me see your princess stance.
I think she's a little too big for a princess.
How dare you! Uh-oh is right, mister.
We're going to get a new princess.
I think a new princess is definitely needed because I don't think that is cutting it.
That? How dare you? My mother gave birth to me. Those are my royal bars!
Just the sass we needed. It's perfect. She's our next princess. We have our new show.
We are perfect. We're gonna make millions off of you, Miss Young Lady.
Thank you. I know I was born to be a fish.